Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all my empowered and beautiful beings. Today's topic is all about love. Let's fall in love with life. Let's fall in love with ourselves, with our life, with the people around us that truly care for us, and have a great month of love. There's purity when you're in love, magic when you're in love. You feel your life on deeper level. You feel for that person, and life isn't just about the self, but it has to start with the self. Because the moment you know how to love yourself, you teach the other person to love you, and also you love the other person in such a better way. See, I really want you to become the green flag firstly for whoever you meet, because the moment you become a green flag, you will attract a green flag. If you are attracting men with just red flags, that means you have that redness, you have the redness, and there's an alert that you need to change. Whoever you're meeting, if they are not emotionally available, you ask yourself, where in my life am I not emotionally available to myself? If they are the one who's cheating, firstly you ask yourself, why are you tolerating such behavior? What is it? What's the void that you try to fill with that person? That person is only making you realize there's a void. They're not able to fill. If that void wasn't there, you would have never tolerated that human. So you ask yourself, where do I feel that void? Where am I not giving love to myself? If you meet somebody who's not loving you, who's not affectionate, you ask yourself, where in my life am I doing this to me? Become a green flag for yourself. That's why I say spend time in solitude. Spend time so that when you start enjoying your company, when you meet a person, it's not going to be based on feeling lonely and settling for a human, but based on feeling that love and knowing that that person is worthy of your love, worthy of your time, worthy of your attention. You realize that that person is worthy of you because you've created yourself like a green flag. When you can love yourself with all your imperfections, when you can love yourself with all your flaws, when you can love yourself while you're feeling low, imagine what's gonna happen when your loved ones feels the same. You can understand your pain, your feelings, your joy. You can totally understand the other person. You make the other person feel same. Why? Because you see yourself. When you see yourself, when you value yourself, when you hear yourself, you let the other person see you, and you yourself see the other person, feel the other person, be with the other person, make them feel heard and seen. And that is what true love is. The best book about love is 8 Rules of Love. Listen to me. Solitude helps you recognize that there is a you before, a you during, and a you after every relationship, forging your own way even when you have company and love. You want to go on a journey with someone, not to make them your journey. Hear this out, okay? You want to go on a journey with someone. You want to go on a journey with someone, not to make them your journey. Solitude is not a failure to love. Solitude is the beginning of love. When you can be in your company, when you can be in solitude, you know yourself so much more. So you see yourself based on the perception you have about yourself. You see yourself, you value your opinions on every topic. You value your time. You value your thoughts. You value your emotions. When you value yourself as somebody who's so precious, you let the other person know how to make you feel too. And also when you do bring love and another partner in your life, it's easier for you to say and speak your heart and mind in a pure form, that you don't go around manipulating and controlling another being. You let the person be who they are. You let yourself be who you are. You see each other for who you are, not what you want them to be. You know what? True love isn't about, I'm gonna change this person. No, I'm gonna see this person for who they are, and then I'm gonna see, do they fit my life? If yes, I will do my bit of understanding them. I will do my bit of holding that hand even with the imperfections, because who is perfect? I'm gonna hold the hand and I'm going to make a commitment to that person, then I'm going to be there for you. I'm going to understand you, and we are going to try to understand each other, to help each other grow, to respect each other's boundaries, and to respect each other not just on face but even behind each other's back. A lot of people are just venting about their partner and gossiping about their partner and saying ill stuff behind their back, and that's not love. Then why don't you leave that person if that person is so bad that you had to go your way behind his back or her back to say shit? Is that love? No. The moment you start talking and communicating with your partner in an honest and open way, you grow each other and you grow that relation. But the moment you stop talking and getting your feelings, and if your partner is saying something, if you are talking about your feelings and your partner is not validating your feelings, dissing the feelings because that person doesn't have the emotional intelligence, what you will do is you will start keeping yourself in a shell. You'll think that what's the point of talking about my emotions when they're not even being understood or being seen? And that is where the clash happens, because that person doesn't see you for who you are. They just try to shut you, and they just want to see you through their lens. They just want to see the situation through their lens. You have to keep the ego aside in order to understand each other better and help each other grow. I see my life like this, but I get that you see your life in a completely different way. But how can we make two individuals with two different perspectives on life and vision come together and mold each other and then create love? I just want to wish you happy Valentine's Day. Love is something that is so pure. Love you feel for yourself, the love you feel for your pets, the love that you feel for your babies, the love that you feel for your partner, the love that you feel for your parents, and the love that you feel for life. It's so pure. And just know that love is not about control. Love is not about manipulation. Love is not about getting your way. Love is not about changing that person into your definition. That's just not love. Love is pure. Love is beautiful. Love is seeing the imperfections and still finding that perfect. Love is seeing yourself in the mirror and seeing the beauty. To see yourself in the mirror with such purity and being there for yourself and being there. Love is when you see yourself in the mirror. Love is when you see your loved ones. Love is when you see your partner, see him shine, that you want to see him smile and grow. Love is about having pure intentions. The intention is pure. It's not, if I do this, I can make him do that. It's not a business deal. It's just out of purity and out of love, whatever you want to do. It's not something that you're trying to impress also. Not see the beauty in nature, see plants and flowers in nature, spend time in nature and feel that love. Feel the wind blow your hair and feel the love of the God. Have love in the universe. And I don't want you to settle in love. Don't settle in love ever, because the right love will find you. It will find you if you keep becoming the right person for yourself. You do right for yourself and see how the universe will reward you with just the right people around you and with the right loved one. And when you meet your human, you will realize all the pain that you went through, they were all worth it. Let's just grow in love. Don't fall in love. Grow in love. And I'm going to see you the next week. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to see you the next time. Cheers to Valentine's.